Hello guys, welcome back to another video lecture on UMath Academy. These are going to be the never before and never after video lectures. So let's move on. So if you haven't watched the previous video lectures, then please go through them so that you will have a clear understanding of this course. So the links for those videos will be in the description, or you can find an I symbol at the top of the video. You just click on that. So if you haven't, then please do like, share and subscribe to UMath Academy. So let's start our fourth video lecture in this series. And till now we have discussed 5 tricks. Now today we are gonna deal with sixth trick, and that says that multiplying any number with 12 to 19. So you can take any number. It can be 12, it can be 13, it can be 14, like this, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It can be any number. You can multiply any number with these, okay? 12 to 19, you can multiply any number like 198765341. You can multiply the biggest of biggest number, okay? You can multiply any number with this, and the trick is going to be the same, okay? For all these like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, the trick is going to be the same, okay? Now let's just see how are you gonna do these type of calculations. So see, the first problem is 38 into 12, right? So I'll just 38 into 12, right? So how are you gonna do this? Is just remember, this trick is going to be a little bit confusing, but if you practice a lot of questions, then you can handle it easily, okay? Now see, multiply last two numbers, 2 into 8, it is going to be 16, okay? Now what are you going to do? Write 6 over here and add 1 to this as a carry for 3. Now the next step is multiply 2 into 3. So the answer is going to be 6. That you have to multiply with add with carry, and that you have to add with the previous number. The previous number is 8 over the previous number is 8 here, so you have to multiply that with 8, okay? So the result is going to be 6 plus 1 is going to be 7, 7 plus 8 is going to be 15. So the answer is 15, okay? Now write down 5 over here and 1. The next carry you have to add with the next number, but here there is no next number, the last number is 3 only, so you have to add that with 3 only, okay? Now as previously we have one carry, so you just cancel it out, the new carry will be again 1, okay? So just add, so the next step is just add 3 and 1, okay? 3 and 1 is going to be 4, so it's going to be 456. So the answer is 456. So if you have let's just see another problem, okay? 65 into 16. So I said you can multiply any number with with 12 to 19, so the trick is going to be the same. So we'll just use the same trick to solve these also, okay? Now how are you going to do 65 into 16, okay? 65 into 16 is simple. You multiply the last two numbers, so it's going to be 6 into 5 is going to be 30 and 3 over here, okay? It's going to be the carry for 6, okay? Now what I'm going to do, the next step, multiply these both. 6 into 6 is going to be 36, okay? Now add carry. The next step is adding the previous number, is that is 5 over here. And so what is the result of these three is going to be 36 plus 3 plus 5 is going to be 44. So what I'm going to do, write 4 over here, and the another 4 is going to be the carry for 6, okay? So just delete that previous carry 3, okay? And you're going to add these both, okay? 6 plus 4 is going to be 10. The answer is going to be 1040, okay? Now let's just see another problem. 766 into 19. So it's saying 766 into 19, right? So what is the first step? Multiply these both. 9 6 is going to give us 54. So write down 4 here. 5 is going to be the carry for this number. Now multiply these both. 9 into 6. 9 into 6 is going to be 54. So what are you going to do? The next step. 9 6 is going to be 54. Add 5 to it. Add previous number. Here the previous number is 6. Okay. So the result is going to be 54 plus 5 plus 6 is going to be 65. Okay. So write down 5 over here and add 6 to the next number. Okay. Now you multiply these both again. 9 into 7. 9 into 7 is going to be 63. Okay. I'll just once again. Okay. I just erased all those. So let's just see the problem again. 766 into 19. Okay. Sorry, I just erased all those. So that what we have done, 9 6 is going to be 54 and add 5 to this. 9 6 is going to be 54, 5 65, and you are adding 6 to this. So the next step we are doing is 9 into 7 is going to be 63, right? 63. So you are going to add 6 to that, as the carry is 6, right? As the carry is 6. Okay. Now add the previous number. So for 7 the previous number is 6. Okay. Add this one. Okay. Now the answer is going to be 63 plus 6 plus 6 is going to be 75. So write down 5 over here, and you have to shift this 7 to the next number, but here there is no next number. The last number is 7. So add the carry for this 7 only. So the previous carry 6 is going to get cancelled, and add these both. 7 plus 7 is going to be 14. So the answer is 14554. I hope you understood. Now let's just see another problem. Okay. 253656. Okay. 253656. 253656 into 17. Okay. 253656 into 17. So it's just simple. You just follow the same steps what I have said. Multiply 7 into 6, you are going to get 42. Write down 4 over here. Sorry, 2 and 4 over here. Multiply these both. 7 into 5, 35 plus 4, 39. Sorry, 35 plus 4 is going to be 39, and 39 we have to add with the previous number 6. So it's going to be 45. Now 7 into 6. 7 into 6 is going to be 42 plus 4 plus 5, 47. Now 7 into 3, 21 plus 4 plus 6, 31. 7 into 5, 35 plus 3 plus 3, 41. 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 16 plus 5, 21. So as we don't have the next number, you are going to add that carry to this number only. Okay, you are going to cancel out these carries. Okay. Now what is it is going to be 4, right? 2 plus 2 is going to be 4. So the answer is 4,11752. I hope you understood the basic trick. So let's just see the last problem. It says 45638 into 15. 45638 into 15, right? So how are you going to do? Multiply last two numbers. 5 into 8 is going to be 40. Okay. Add 4 as carry for 3. Now multiply these both. 5 into 3 is going to be 15. 15 plus 4 carry. 15 plus carry plus the next previous number 8. So this whole sum is going to give us 27. So 2 is going to be here and 7. Now what I'm going to do? Multiply 5 with 6. 5 6 are is going to be 30. 30 plus 2, 32 plus the previous number. It's going to be 3. So 32 plus 3 is going to be 35. So 3 over here, 5 over here. Now multiply 5 with 5. 5 5 is going to be 25. Okay, 5 5 is going to be 25 plus this carry plus the previous number 6. So 34. Now what are you going to do the last step, next step? 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is going to give us 20 plus this number 23 plus the previous number 5, 28. So now the next the carry we got here is 2. So we have to add it for the next number, but we don't have any next number. So you are going to add it for to the this number only 4. Okay, you're just gonna cancel out all the carries. So 4 plus 2 is going to give us 6. So the answer is 684570. Okay, I hope you understood like how to solve with 12. So this is the trick. I know this trick is little bit confusing, but if you practice a lot of questions, then you're gonna deal with this trick like so simply. Okay, let's just see some practice questions that you're gonna do and comment down in the comment box. Okay, do this and do this and comment down the answers in the comment box. Okay, I'll just do one problem for you. See, we haven't dealt with 14, right? So 68 into 14, I'll just solve this one problem for you. 68 into 14. Okay, so what are we going to do? Multiply these both. 4 into 8 is going to be 32. 3 over here. 4 into 6 is going to be 24. 24 plus the carry plus the previous number. Here in this case is 8. So the answer is 35. Okay, it's going to be 35. 5 over here. 3, add this number. Okay, add to that number. 6 plus 3 is going to be 9. So the answer is 952. I hope you understood this trick. Okay, practice as many problems you can. Okay, now as I say, practice makes man perfect. So practice as many problems you can, so that you won't be confused in between the tricks, and tricks will be simple for you. Like you can solve like in few seconds. Okay, at starting like you may find it difficult, but if you practice a lot of questions, then you can solve it in fraction of seconds. That's what I meant to say. So thank you, and please do like, share and subscribe to UMath Academy. Thank you, and please stay tuned for our next video lectures. Thank you.